Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says unicellular organisms are immortal because options are option A, they can reproduce sexually. Option B, they reproduce by cell division and undergo aging. Option C, they are macroscopic. Option D, parental body is distributed among the offspring. So let us understand the terminology which is given in the question. It says unicellular organisms are immortal. So why are they immortal? Okay, they're asking for the reason. So immortal means that they don't have death or they don't die. So what do you mean by unicellular organisms? So unicellular organisms are nothing but the single cell organism. These are single cell organism. Okay. And how do they reproduce? They reproduce by cell division. They reproduce by cell division. And how do they divide? Okay, so suppose this is the parental cell. For example, we can take the unicellular organism which is known as amoeba. So I'm taking the example of amoeba. Now this is the parental cell. Okay, now this parental cell further divides or splits into two daughter cells. So there is nuclear division. The nucleus will get divided into two, and further that entire cell will get divided into two. So the same parental cell is getting divided into two daughter cells. Okay, so these are new cells. Okay, so since now the parental cell doesn't exist because it has been already divided into two. So there is no point of talking about aging of the cell and getting going immortal, because the same cell itself is getting divided into two new cells. So it doesn't have death at all. Okay. Hence, we can consider unicellular organism as immortal. So let us look at the option. Option A says they can reproduce sexually. They don't reproduce sexually except for few of the type of organism. But these unicellular organisms, most of them, they don't reproduce sexually. Hence, option A is ruled out. Okay. And option B is they reproduce by cell division and undergo aging. Of course, they reproduce by cell division, but they don't undergo aging because I have already told you one parental cell divides into two. Hence, option B is ruled out. Option C says they are macroscopic. So they can be, most of the unicellular organisms are microscopic. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether they are microscopic or macroscopic. Here we are talking about why are they immortal. So being macroscopic or microscopic doesn't give any suggestion, or you can say doesn't justify their immortal state. Hence option C is ruled out. Option D says parental body is distributed among the offspring. Yes, the parental body here, it is getting distributed among the offspring. Hence, we don't find the parental cell again. Okay, so that parent which has undergone division, it doesn't exist. Okay, and that is why they are immortal. So option C is the right answer. So let us conclude. So what is the final answer? The final answer is option C. So option D, that is parental body is distributed among the offspring. So that is the right answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.